How to search for a player in Clash Royale. So there are multiple ways like player tag search. Every player in Clash Royale has a unique player tag, which is a combination of letters and numbers preceded by a hash symbol. You can find a player's tag by going to their profile, either you own or another player's, and looking under their name. To search for a player by tag, go to the social tab and then friend book and use the search bar to enter the player tag. And the other method is username search. You can also search for players by their username. If you know the username of the player you are looking for, you can search for them in the social tab's search bar. If you cannot find the player by username, you can search by their player tag, as some players may have similar usernames according to the Royal API. And the other method is clan search. You can find players by searching for their clan. Go to the clans tab and use the search bar to find the clan you are interested in. And once you found the clan, you can view its members and their profile. And after that, the last method is adding friends. You can add friends in Clash Royale through the social tab. Go to the social tab and then tap add friends, and you can then search for players by their username or tag and send them a friend request. Once they accept, you can find them in your friends list within the social tab. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you can search for players in Clash Royale. So see you on the next video.